All right, morning. Let's rise and shine. It's Wednesday, 3 trading days into the week. It's a quiet overnight. Markets are flat. Not a whole lot to talk about. What do we have on tap today? Well, we have Fed minutes coming out. So the last Federal Reserve meeting, you know, the one where they kept interest rates unchanged. We're getting those meetings out today. Will be interesting to hear what all the Fed governors have to say about rising rates and if they give any indication of a change to their policy in the future. A lot of eyeballs going to be on that today. What else do we got? JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon, CEO. He released his annual letter to investors yesterday, and it's one of those kind of like Warren Buffett that everybody waits for and try to glean some information from it. One of the things he said was he expects the economy to boom into 2023 with all the stimulus, all the spending, the quantitative easing, so on and so forth. So he sees a big economic boom here on the horizon. So that's good. So what do we got? Like I said, markets are flat. Oil trading up right around $60 a barrel, and the dollar weak once again. Seeing that euro right at 1.19. All right, folks, let's go get some today. Have a great Wednesday. I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.